Good morning, folks, and welcome to the Firm U. My name is Ray Bassett. I am a master personal trainer here, and we have a very private personal training studio here. So everything that's done here, nobody else is on the equipment, nobody else grunting, groaning, and all those things that you don't like to hear in the gym. Anyway, today I'm coming to you with a solution to a problem I've been having over the years with some of my clients and other people that inquire on what to do when you go on vacation or you're going on trips for your job and things like that, or working out at the office, in a short amount of time, or even at home. God forbid we ever have another shutdown or another pandemic or anything like that. But at least you be prepared. What I'm saying is I call it the band on the run. It's a band workout program that I will design, customize, and tailored to your goals or fitness goals. And I will also do a video with you doing these exercises. And the package comes with the bands. I have a beginner's package, an intermediate, and then a advanced level, so that you're never going to be bored. Also, you can double these bands up and also make it heavier that way. Okay, so like this right here, for an example, is a 15-pound band. It goes up to 20, and the different colors represent different levels of resistance on here, all the way up to 30 pounds. So this is just on the beginners program. Now, this right here gets a little bit more aggressive for those that are intermediate or advanced. You can get a heck of a workout with this stuff, again, with my direction, my techniques, and the body mechanics that I'm going to show you. Now, the biggest niche I have here is that you're going to be watching not somebody on TV who's already in shape. You're going to be watching somebody that's going to be you. And I'm going to be giving you instructions on how to correct your technique, your form, why we're doing it, the muscles we're working, and all the information that you need. Plus, my package also comes with a consultation. We're going to talk about your diet. I'll get you on my bioimpedance scale and tell you what your body composition is, and a complimentary come back after a month or two and get back on the scale just to see what your progress is, if you choose to do that as a home program. Okay, again, it's built or designed to be for vacations or traveling for business and things like that. I get inquired all the time, what do I do? What do I do? Well, instead of looking at those confusing, let's say, these instructions right here, okay, most of the bands come with those instructions, all right, and it shows a guy doing one motion and then doing the end motion, and that's it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to use these bands the correct way. Okay, just for an example, all you need is a door or something to attach this apparatus to. Okay, so we'll just show you how it works. And over here, I have the handles. They snap on just like that, real easy, real quick. The bands that I supply come with a bag, lightweight bag, and also they come with these elastic bands right here. Now, what you do with those is you can put them around your legs, and I'm going to use the advanced here. Just for an example, put them around your legs here, if I don't trip. Okay, and doing walking lunges like that, or side lateral type of stuff right here to get your adductors and abductors stimulated. And let me tell you what, you can be in your hotel room and get a heck of a workout just from that. Whew, starting to sweat already. Anyway, also we have ankle. The package here comes with ankle straps here, and these are used to attach. This is the advanced package, and everything's just a little bit more durable or stronger for those people that are advanced. And you can go from the beginners bands to these bands over here. Also, you can bring your own bands too, okay? So anyway, these just connect to your ankle straps. And for an example, you would go like this, again, for adductors, okay? You do this 20 times, you're really gonna feel it, especially if you start going up in the bands as the weight goes up, as the resistance goes up. Anyway, I'll show you also how to do the exercise with proper technique so you don't get hurt. Last thing you want to do is get hurt in your hotel room or at home. So what we do is just go ahead and find a door, attach this strap to it. Now we're ready to rock and roll. So an example would be chest flies, just like this. Okay, now this would be more of a decline fly like that, okay? All right, if I put it right here and came right here, it'd be a regular chest fly, so on and so forth. Just to give an example, but the best thing about this is it's you that's doing this. I'll do it on your phone. I can put it in any format that you want that's easier for you to access. You can take your phone with you, that small bag, put it in your suitcase, and you are ready to rock and roll anywhere you go. So also, let's just, for abs, just as another example, again, we just put this in the door. I'm pretty strong on these, so I'm gonna double up and use the bands like this and just side to side like this, okay? Then we do the other side, okay, just like that. Easy peasy, no problem. Also, with the consultation, I will supply you with my EFAs, essential fatty acids. Okay, these are what our bodies need. They have omega-3 and omega-6 unadulterated plant-based essential fatty acids right here. Now, anytime I put my picture on something, you know I endorse it and I believe in it, and they work. They're great. Also, it's an anti-inflammatory. Guess what, folks? Now would be a great time to go ahead and purchase one of my gift cards for the holidays. Perfect time now. Get one of these, go ahead and put this on here. It'd be $495 for the whole show. Takes about 2 hours. 1 hour for the consultation, and then another hour of being out on the floor here and going through the instructions on a full body workout. It'll be upper body for one day, lower body for another day. Okay, now it's going to take about two hours to complete both the consultation and the video. Now we can break that up into 2 sessions. Come in on one day for the consultation, come on another day, and then we can do the workout and videotape you, and you walk home with all you have, all the knowledge and all the technique you will need to never make an excuse that I was traveling and didn't get to work out. I get it all the time. No excuses. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Could use some more subscribers. Ray Bassett signing out. And don't forget about the gift card. It's going to work. All right, see you later.